An environmentally friendly and tech-savvy way to keep your notes is here. With an e-ink tablet, you can jot everything down in one place and even store your notes in an online cloud to avoid losing them. And unlike standard tablets from companies like Apple, Microsoft, Samsung, and Amazon, e-ink tablets are designed to make reading and writing feel more natural and easier on the eyes. There are a handful of great options to choose from, ranging from the Amazon Kindle Scribe to the remarkable Paper Pro. Choosing the best e-ink tablet for you comes down to your personal use case and what features you'd like to prioritize. We've gathered our top picks to help simplify your decision-making. First off, e-ink tablets use electronic ink to allow you to take notes, read, and mark up documents. Think of it like a digital notebook. A good e-ink tablet will be as light as an e-reader and feel natural to write on. And while there are ways to write on Apple, Microsoft, Samsung, and Amazon standard tablets, e-ink tablets are made with grayscale tech, so they won't die as quickly, helping them to last all day. And that also makes them easier to look at for prolonged periods. Here are some of the e-ink tablets that will get your note-taking job done. Remarkable 2. For most people, the 10.3-inch Remarkable 2 checks all the boxes. You can jot down notes, convert your handwriting into typed text, and mark up PDFs, and it's under $500. The e-ink tablet is light and thin at 0.19 inches thick and 0.88 pounds, making it easy to slip into a backpack or a tote bag. It's got up to 2 weeks of battery life, and yes, it comes with a stylus, although you'll have to pay $50 more if you want the Plus version with a built-in eraser. Remarkable Paper Pro. If you've got a slightly more generous budget and want an e-ink tablet with a more premium feel, the Remarkable Paper Pro is a solid choice. In addition to that signature paper-like feel, this latest release from Remarkable features an 11.8-inch color display, as well as adjustable lighting to make reading and writing easier throughout the day or night. It's 0.20 inches thick and weighs 1.16 pounds, making it slightly heftier than the Remarkable 2, but still easy to throw in a bag. The display has a 2160 by 1620 resolution. Kindle Scribe. The Kindle Scribe comes with a fantastic 300 ppi 10.2-inch display that's evenly lit and perfect for large format reading. The writing experience is also very pleasant and natural, and you can choose from 16GB, 32GB, and 64GB options. The battery can last up to 10 to 12 weeks. The Scribe comes with a stylus, and you can pay $30 extra for the premium version, which offers better precision and an eraser feature. It's 0.22 inches thick. Kobo Ellipsa 2e. Kobo might be a smaller company than Amazon, but it's been making e-readers for just about as long. While Amazon once made a 9.7-inch Kindle, the product never offered natural input with a touchscreen or stylus and was discontinued in 2014. More recently, Kobo was the first with a waterproof e-reader, and it's the first of a major e-reading players to make a 10.3-inch device with a stylus. Like most Kobos, the Ellipsa 2e is an excellent e-reader and offers battery life measured in weeks, depending on use.